Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I'm gonna try to do this quickly. So I haven't been uploading very often. In case anybody's wondering, I haven't been programming very much. I actually moved off grid and I'm raising animals now, so that's what I'm doing. So I get some money from the government, but I wanted to get some extra. I get quite a bit already, but I want some more, so I went with data annotations. They shadow banned me. Someone recommended that to me. I know you can get money from it. Um, And then they shadow banned me. I guess they saw I was switching tabs too much. And then Outlier.AI, I already got failed 2 tests. They just rapid fire at you. You got like 3 minutes. They make you record a video. It's tough if you're not prepared like me. Like I'm, kind of like nervous or something like that. They want people who are really, really solid, really prepared, really competent. And they also want people who are not using AI. That's why they say it so much. And there's so many different ways they detect it. So let's see. Some people just use Cluely API or Cluely AI. That's one recommendation I saw, but it's junk. They might get away with it because anyway, so this is like it's a massive file. It has so many dependencies. So let's look at Cluely API or AI. Let it open. Is if it ever will. Like it's junk. Here it is. So as you can see, I'm just on a test page. Let's see what they can track. If I click onto it, window blur, and then it's another one. If I click back onto here, window focus, and they have buttons here. Like you want me to use these buttons? This thing's a joke. As you can see, it's completely detected. Obviously, window blur and window focus is like not very bad. That's why maybe some people get away with it. But like I said, especially if you've been using these things, you got to be careful, man. It might flag you. Only 2% of people, less than 2% of people get accepted into data annotations. For Outlier.AI, they use your ID. One fail once you're done. You got to be prepared. For data annotations, they track your IP. They shadow ban you. Like you don't even know why they're banning you, right? That they don't ask for your ID. You don't even know why they're banning you. Like their range for banning people is probably so wide. It's all detecting it with AI. They're detecting this with AI probably, and it's like they want people not to use AI. It's so ridiculous. So you know, so here's what I made. Um, as you can see here, I'll just go right from the get-go. So if you just receive this file, you just run it. It's going to tell you, please insert your Gemini key into the config. It creates the config right here. I'm not actually going to show you guys my Gemini key, even though it doesn't matter that much. It's just free anyway. So we just go ahead and copy and paste my pre-made config. It's very easy to configure. You just write in your Gemini key. And then moving on, there's going to be one more error expected. As you can see, you must download this file. It gives you the link, and you must place it. And then it gives you that in case you need to know where to place it, but it's just in this same folder. This is just 150 megabytes. I wouldn't want to include that. So it's very easy, very easy. Moving on now, let's actually run it, and let's go here. As you can see, it doesn't take a million years to run like the other one. Obviously, it did give some events here, but you don't actually need to. So let's set it up first. As you can see, start voice to text hotkey, you just press any hotkey. And this is exactly how it works. So as you can see, I'm on this page. There's going to be no more events. I'll refresh it. No events. As you can see, just window focus and is ready. So now I'm going to press this hotkey. So it actually eats the input. I'll show this later. I'll prove it. I'll show it later. So let's press caps lock. And as you can see, I'm now going to talk to Gemini and it will give a response. I'm just testing. And I'll hit caps lock again. As you can see, the voice detection is perfect. No AI used there, I don't think. And then we'll wait a second for Gemini to respond. Free API key. And then now, as you can see, it gave that whole thing out. There's not one detection. And you hit caps lock again. It's very minimal. I made this in 2 hours. So I can add more features. I can already think of a bunch. I won't list them. But if people are interested in it, I'll release this. I'll add more features, make this really good. I made it in 2 hours. Um, I don't even have a lot of time to make things anymore, so had to rush making 2 hours. So moving on. What I'll show here is like I don't want to show my key, so I'll open up M editor and okay. So if I change this to some key like the O key, it's gonna spam it. It's because I'm gonna spam the O key. Well, I'll press it one time. That'll be enough. And as you could see, it did not make an O key. But if I press anything here, so it actually eats the input. That's why you gotta set it to caps lock. And because you can use the shift key to capitalize things instead of caps lock, and I press the O again, it's gonna process what I said. It's gonna give some weird response. I don't want to try to talk to AI anyway. Um, but yeah. So if you do use this, don't use this as like some sort of friend. Just use it to cheat, man. Um, because the AI is bad, man. I fuck AI. But these things they really demand a lot. As you can see when you tab in and out, it's giving you this window blur and focus. Who knows what you're fucking doing? This thing is tracking you. You will only get one shot with a lot of these. They ask for your ID. This is why you gotta use this shit. Or figure out another way to do it. Whatever, man. So another thing, as I said, I could add so many features, but if I hit here, all I have to do, it's hidden. As you can see, it doesn't show up in my taskbar anywhere. In case you want that. And then, I was just adding features. This isn't needed for what I'm doing. It's just very easy. When I hit caps lock again, as you can see, it's recording. Gemini will respond, hit caps lock again. And I'm probably going to end the video here because, as you can see, it's like undetected for a lot of things. And then I can make it undetected for more things. Um, so let me know if you're interested in this. If no one's interested, I'm not releasing shit. I don't have time. I'd have to obfuscate it and make it an easy release package, and probably put a copyright license on it. I might make it open source. But yeah, so just that's why you need to say your feedback. Otherwise, if no one cares, then whatever. I don't care either. Like it doesn't matter that much to me. I'll just use it for my own thing. But I decided I would share it. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been 3 years since I uploaded. I'm gonna end this video here before it gets really long.